Good morning. Good morning. Today I would like to share my opinion with you all on topic cashless India. Cashless India is a mission launched by Government of India and led by PM Narendra Modi, to reduce the dependency of Indian economy on cash and to stop the black money in economy. The country embarked upon this transition to cashless economy when the government took the revolutionary step on demonetization of old currency of rupees 1,500 on 8 November 2016. India is a cash-rich country where more than 95% of transactions are done in cash. These are the major reasons for generation of huge amount of black money in the country, mainly in the sectors such as real estate, physical gold trafficking, and human and drug trafficking, and big pocket buying such as luxury cars, etc. Cash currencies can be faked easily as well. Cash transactions are very required very high handling charges than digital transactions, and they are very difficult to track, which doesn't allow government to, which doesn't allow government to pay to demand taxes on transactions along income tax. When people don't pay taxes and keep the money with them, this process generates black money, and as a result government is left with less money for social sector spending, and has to increase the has to increase the taxes. The burden of these taxes directly impacts the poor, and the black money indirectly causes inflation as well. It has been found that these black monies are used for funding terrorism activities, other illegal activities. If a country goes cashless, then these issues can be dealt very effectively. In this direction, government has taken more steps by launching apps such as UPI, Beam, apes, USSD, decreasing duty on point of sale machine, Lucky Grahak Yojana decreases on cashless transaction, and government is publishing the use of digital wallets through media and advertisement. However, the use of cashless transaction hasn't reached the success out of major cities in the country. The reasons are people think that cash is dealing with cash is more efficient than digital money. Lack of internet penetration, digital literacy among people. Uh, and many shopkeepers think that dealing with cashes are more effective, more frequent, and but we all Indian as a responsible citizens should take part in this process by spreading awareness among the people about benefit of cashless transaction, so that this change will take our India to a new height of prosperity. Thank you.